Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm at Poiana Marului in Romanian mountains. This is the view from my window. This is a nice view, autumn landscape with a lot of yellow, oranges and these beautiful clouds. The view is absolutely gorgeous. Mountains, clouds, a dazzling display of gold or crimson colors. The leaves are changing colors. A couple of haystacks, some little rustic houses. I need more time to explore this landscape. Just look at those beautiful colors, shades of yellow, orange, reds, purple, browns. And look at those puffy clouds, such an interesting composition. Simply beautiful, so nice. Wonderful autumn colors. I love this range of warm colors. I did these two quick sketches in my Hahnemuhle Watercolor Sketchbook. For this I used my Winsor Newton Watercolor Portable Set. There are 12 half pens in here. First of all, I framed the composition with this pen. Usually I start a sketch from above the page and going down to the bottom of it. For the sky I started with this light cobalt blue. I left the white of the paper for the clouds. Then I added shadow for the clouds, mixing ultramarine blue and burnt sienna. For the mountains in the distance, I mixed Payne's gray and burnt sienna, diluting it with a lot of water. For the middle ground, I used a mixture of ultramarine blue and yellow ochre with more color to make more depth and a contrast with the foreground. For the foreground, I filled in the whole this shape with cadmium yellow. While the paper was still wet, I added some red, and the spots of red merged beautifully wet on wet. At the end, with a mixture of green and Payne's gray to darken the green, I added this fir tree to add more depth to the landscape. Then I added the details for the trunks of the trees with a colored pencil. I added some branches, and with a white rolly gel I added also some contrasting branches and trunks. The second sketch I framed in a square format because I found that this is suitable. First of all, I drew the outline of the building. For the drawing I used this Sakura brush pen with this fine brush. It is indicated on the cap like BR. Then I added watercolor washes. At the end I added some details with colored pencils. The pencils I'm using are Faber Castell Polychromos and Lyra Rembrandt Polycolor. My watercolor travel brush is this DaVinci Travel Brush. It can be assembled like this. Very handy and convenient. This is my travel case. I'm holding here some pens, black, red, blue, black, white rolly gel, black number 1, water brush. This is a watercolor brush. My Winsor Newton kit also fit in. This is water container, paper binders for the sketchbook when it's windy outside. So everything fit in here. Also here is my color penciled set. I use this from a package from a USB cable. I adapted it. Here I have a few colors. The sharpener here and the pencils. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Goodbye.